In this video, I will go through some of the main features of the SkySwitch WebCentrex Domain Manager portal. As a reminder, a domain is a customer group within the SkySwitch reseller portal. You can manage a domain using the Domain Manager interface shown here. The first page you see when you log into the Domain Manager interface is a statistics page. The notable features are the active calls screen, showing all of the active calls within the domain, and statistics showing calls per hour for the past 24 hours, calls per day for the past 10 days, and other related statistics. You navigate through the Domain Manager portal using the icons across the top of the screen. I'll touch on each to show the major features. The Users page allows you to manage users and user features. Adding a new user is a simple matter of filling out a single form where you assign a name and an extension number to that user. The Conference page is where the Domain Manager can create audio conferences for the domain. Adding a conference is as simple as giving it a name and an extension, and then selecting which of the conference features you would like to activate. The Auto Attendant page is where you can create and manage auto attendants. An auto attendant consists of three components: an intro greeting, such as "Thank you for calling SkySwitch," a menu greeting, such as "Enter 1 for support" or 2 for sales, and then dial key options, which tell the system what to do when each key is depressed. The Call Queues page allows you to create ACD functionality, whereby inbound calls can be routed to specific agents. Any user in the system can be associated with a call queue, and when that is done, that user is referred to as an agent. This page allows you to see all of the agents assigned to any of the queues and to manage them accordingly. The Timeframes page is where the Domain Manager can create system-wide timeframes. A timeframe is used to create time periods that can be used for call routing purposes. Examples of timeframes might be certain days of the week or specific dates. Timeframes can be saved, and once saved, they are available to all the users within the domain to create answering rules. The Music on Hold page is used to add audio files to the system. Audio files can be assigned to any user for personal music on hold or to system features such as auto attendants and call queues. The system will accept any MP3 or WAV file, and it may be uploaded and managed from this page. The Call History page allows you to search for any call within this domain. You can search using filters and any of the column headers shown here, including the from number, the dialed number, or the destination. Call records can be exported into a CSV file for easy management. In addition, a nice feature of the platform is the ability to listen to recorded calls right from the Call History page. The Inventory page can be used to manage phone numbers that are assigned by the reseller to this domain. Phone numbers can be routed to any user within the domain or to any of the other applications within the domain, including a conference bridge, a call queue, a voicemail box, or an auto attendant. The Inventory page is also used to manage SIP devices. From this page, you can select a SIP device by searching for its MAC address and then assigning users to specific lines on that device. The system is tied into a auto-provisioning server, whereby creating a user as an appearance on a line will automatically push that provisioning file down to the user's device. That concludes this brief overview of the SkySwitch WebCentrex Domain Manager portal. In sum, it's a convenient place for resellers to manage virtual PBXs and for end-user customers to manage their own features.